Well, nobody wants to deal with pain, but when we do, there's nice to have a one-stop shop that you can go to deal with that. Dr. Spencer, thanks for joining us today.
Hi.
Tell us a little bit about what you have here with the laser.
We have a class 4 laser here that basically can treat pain anywhere from headaches all the way down to neuropathy. Patients with chronic tendinitis, elbow tendinitis, shoulder, rotator cuff tears, knee pain, lower back pain, even failed surgical cases. We can use the class 4 on, and we have some great new technology that we're using along with our class 4 to help us pinpoint areas of deep inflammation that may be causing your symptoms, so we can target that a lot more quickly and get you feeling better and get you back to living your life the way you would like to before all this pain showed up.
Now this is outside of actual chiropractic care.
It is outside of actual chiropractic care. We do chiropractic in the office, but this is totally different. You don't even have to be a chiropractic patient to have this. In fact, all you have to do is call the number on your screen and say, hey, I want to try that laser treatment. We have a special offer that we're giving the viewers of WLOX. They can come in, they can get their scan, they can get their first laser treatment, and then they can get their post-scan to see, hey, did my body respond to what they're doing? Even though the pain's not going to go away right away, you can see the actual results of the laser almost right away in real time. And this helps us know that it's the treatment for you. So you get your pre-scan, you get your treatment, you get your post-scan, and from that we'll be able to develop a treatment plan that allows you to get back on your feet and not hurt so bad and enjoy your life once again. That's what everybody wants, right?
Absolutely. It's the quality of life.
Quality of life. So some of the things that we're really seeing is that sometimes when people develop trigger fingers or other problems in their hand or even carpal tunnel, the problem is going all the way up their arms, and just treating the hand is not enough. We have to do treatments on the whole arms in order to really get the patient functioning again, able to use those hands, grab things, just do their daily activities that so many of us take for granted,
sure,
right? But once you lose the ability to use your hands, it really affects the quality of your life. You know, same thing with the shoulder. It's so hard to sleep at night when your shoulder's aching and hurting, and it wakes you up all night long if you have a chronic rotator cuff tear. And so many times, you know, people don't take the time to go to the rehab, or it just gets stiffer and stiffer and stiffer, and they have a hard time lifting those arms up and just getting dressed and doing the things. So this laser, this new technology with the thermography helps us to pinpoint the areas in the shoulders that have the worst areas of inflammation, and the laser will actually increase the blood flow and nutrients coming into that area. So when tissue is damaged or not working right, what happens is the metabolism slows down. It may be months or years and things are just not healing like they should, and a person just, you know, oh, it's just an old injury, I'm going to have to live with that. But the laser speeds up. It's like pressing on the gas pedal. If you want to go faster, you hit the gas, right? So the laser is like a gas, you know, pressing on that gas pedal, speeding up how the nutrients get into your body, how the waste products get taken away, and that allows for much better healing at a faster rate, faster than your body's been able to do on its own, which is what got you in the problem in the first place.
So, and it's not invasive at all. Should we take a look at how this whole process works?
Sure.
Absolutely. All right, so I'm going to take one for the team and see what this is all about here. Dr. Spencer, tell us about this laser.
Okay, this is the class 4 laser, and like I said, it really just helps speed up your healing. So what we're doing now is actually a carpal tunnel treatment where we're energizing all of the tendons in the lower arm, and we're bringing them blood flow from the elbow all the way down into the hand, so the tendons in the hand, the carpal tunnel tendons that are trapped through here, can really begin to heal. As you see, this is a very comfortable treatment.
Yeah.
And there's very little side effects to this. Most of the side effects are that, hey, the patient just loves it and it feels good.
It's very comfortable.
Right? Especially if you've been hurting for so long. So in the carpal tunnel, we would continue to go all the way down the hand. But like I said, you can use this on any part of your body. It's a very comfortable treatment, and we get great results.
At the very most, I can feel that it's a little warm.
Yes, it is a class 4 laser, so it can burn you, but you know, I'm class 4 laser certified, and so is my staff, so we we know how to do this safely without, harming the patient.
So now we're going to take a look at some of the scans. Now, you mentioned it's not an instant in terms of pain relief. That's not instant. But what's happening right now is inflammation has gone down and is continuing to go down.
That's right. So it starts the healing process in your body and it accelerates it. So we'll be able to see the results of the scan right away. Let's take a look at some of the before scans that we have here, okay? These are some hands, and what we want to see is the left side the same as the right side?
Definitely not the case here.
Definitely not the case. You can see a lot of inflammation in that right hand around the thumb area all the way to the fingertips. And you see this person doesn't really have a lot going on in the forearms, which are up above the hands, that would contribute to this problem. What we would do is target the hand specifically here, but if they had issues all the way down, we know we would need to start at the elbows and work our way all the way down. This allows us to time your treatment and give you a treatment plan that's perfect for you, that's individualized. We're not just cookie cutter doing the same thing on everybody and hoping something sticks. We're working with the root of the problem, which helps us get fantastic results. Now, one thing I want to talk about is neuropathy. When a patient comes in and has neuropathy, their toes are purple. They're not getting good blood flow. Their nerves are dying. Things are just, they can't even feel their feet. Maybe their feet are burning, numb, tingling. But it can get excruciating, and this is a progressive disease. And the class 4 laser that we use is 90% effective at reducing the symptoms of neuropathy. Now, neuropathy can never be cured, but if you can feel 50 to 75% better and sustain that over your life without getting worse, then you're a good,
Absolutely.
You're good, because amputations come from neuropathy patients almost on a daily basis, and we want to help people keep their legs,
right.
Help them keep their feet without drugs, shots, and surgery. So all of this is non-invasive, and it helps a patient get better, without using any invasive means to do that.
That's right. So listen, Spencer Chiropractic, Pass Road, Gulfport. It's really, especially when we're talking about this Class 4 laser, one-stop shop, head to toe. You get some actionable feedback as soon as you get in, as soon as you get the scan, and then with the treatment, how long would it take before you feel those results?
Every patient's different, so we do continue to monitor your scans, but from that treatment plan, we'll be able to determine, based on other cases, how we feel like you're going to respond and be able to help you with your problem. So to come in and get the scan and get your treatment plan and get your first treatment is only $79 if you call and come through this special that we have for WLOX viewers.
Awesome. Thank you, Dr. Spencer.
Thank you.